Hey everyone, welcome to the video today. So if you heard, GrooveMail was just released the other day and we're going to give it a try. So let's go into GrooveMail here. Lists, we need to make a list. So let's say new list. Name, we'll call it GrooveFunnels. Alright, let's create the list. So we have our list. Now, all that is the list. So now we need to create new lead. Okay, lead is like the people, your emails. How about a tag? What's a tag? New tag or category. GrooveFunnel is our tag. Category? No, not a category. So let's create a tag. If we go into segments and say new segment, GrooveFunnel. Create segment. Exclude, include everybody in my database. Subscribe to my list. Not subscribed. Has tag. Oh, okay. So we can say has tag, and our tag can be select. Nothing here. Okay. Everybody in my database. Okay, we'll do that one for now. Exclude, nobody. Save and exit. So that's a segment. What else? Then we have a form. Okay, let's make a form. Oh, test. Let's delete this. Oh, get code. Let's edit this. Let's call it GrooveFunnel form. Oh, we go in here. Okay, cool. Form. So we have first email and first name. Let's leave it as that. We can edit it though, right? What happens if we edit it? Create a custom field. Oh, okay, so we can make different fields for our email. Let's leave it as email and first name. That's good for us. Save and next. Single opt-in. Your leads can opt in to your list without confirming the email address. Your leads will have to go to their inbox and validate their email opt-in. Let's leave it as this one for now. Success page URL. Let's move on. We can come back. Welcome email settings. Configure your settings for a welcome email. Oh, and we have a welcome email here. Beautiful. Sender, my name. That's my Gmail address. What if we put Len at, oh, I can't change it. Okay, we can't change it here. Subject, welcome. You made a great decision. Thanks, Len. Okay, dynamic variables. Oh, cool. We can do first name. So you can do hi, first name. And that'll put their first name in. All right, let's save and next. List, subscribe to list, GrooveFunnels. Tags, assign a tag. I thought I made a tag. Okay, don't assign a tag. Sequence. Did I make a sequence? There's no sequence here. What if I add? No, there's nothing here. I thought I added a sequence. Okay, we'll say don't subscribe to any sequence. Oh, I have to click add. There we go, GrooveFunnels. Oh, maybe now can I do something? No. All right, save and next. Congratulations. Okay, now we have some code here. We take this code, copy it. We go to our GroovePages, and Groove with Len website that we're trying to make here. We're gonna add a pop-up, create new pop-up. Okay, then we're gonna go into elements. Gonna go down to code. Where's our code? Code. Everything looks the same. Here's code embed. We got our code in there. Now we hit this little thing here. Paste our code in there. Hit save. And save and exit, I guess. All right. So now we got our buttons here. We're gonna go configure that and change it to pop-up, and it's going to be pop-up 1. I didn't change the name. Let's do that to both. We'll say pop-up and pop-up 1. All right, and save that. All right, so we did that. Let's go to our page. Did I publish, and let's check it out. And there's a web page. Let's hit GroovePages. Email. my email in, first name, Len, and then submit. Kind of weird how it uses, but it works. Let's see, submit, check mark. Let's go back to, see now I want it to go somewhere, right? Oh, here we go. Thank you for opting in. Okay, now what? So let's go check out the mail here. Leads, lists. I have one person in my list, so let's look at the leads. Coming soon. Email. Coming soon. Sequence. Transaction. Subscription. Segments. If I edit my segment, go through this again. Update segment. Include. I said everybody before. So submit. Please confirm. Okay, I'm opting in. Let's go back here. Let's refresh. I got another one, so it works. And I got two. So it did add the email somewhere. We just can't really see it. If I say view on one of these guys, it comes back here and there isn't really anything to see. It says coming soon in all the pages. Okay, but maybe it'll be available soon. And if we look into my Gmail account, you can see I got the email that I sent to myself through filling out the form. Gmail doesn't like when you're using your Gmail account, it knows that you're not sending it yourself, so you should use your own domain email address. And you can say look safe for now because I know I sent it to myself. I didn't get the name here. There's something missing with that, but everything else came out no problem. You can put all kinds of information here, links, different products you're selling. So that is GrooveMail. It will be included if you buy the lifetime price, or if you want to pay 4 payments of $4.97 or 1 payment of $13.97. So 1 payment of $13.97 or 4 payments of $4.97 starting in 14 days. The 1 payment of $13.97 is the best deal, and you get access to everything. You get this GrooveMail, which will be better because GrooveCart and GroovePages has been out for a while and they're working pretty good. GrooveCart, you're gonna have unlimited GrooveCart stores, and you also get GrooveSell, affiliate, GroovePages Pro, GrooveMember, video, GrooveMail. Like I mentioned, GrooveBlog, can have a blog eventually, GrooveDesk, GrooveCalendar, GrooveSurvey, GrooveQuiz, GrooveWebinar Live, GrooveWebinar Automated, GrooveWebinars Livestream, and GrooveCart e-commerce, and affiliate program 40%. Now's the time to get in before this price is gone. Once all the software is working perfectly, they're going to be going into these prices here, $199, and you're not going to even get webinars, GrooveCart, GrooveQuiz, GrooveSurvey. You'll have to get the $299 a month plan. That's GrooveMail. That's GrooveFunnels, Groove Company. If you like it, you want to give it a try, there's a link in the description below. I'll give you access to all my bonuses. That's it for today. See you next time.